If you want to make small talk in Chinese, hobbies are a must-learn topic. Hi everyone, I'm Shui. Welcome back to my channel. Here I teach you Chinese in a simple and everyday way. Today you will learn two super useful sentences to talk about your hobbies. You can use them right away. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's learn Chinese together step by step. First, listen to me say two full sentences. You need to do nothing yet, just listen carefully. 我的爱好是看书。我喜欢逛街。These two sentences mean my hobby is reading. I like going shopping. These two are the most important sentence patterns we are going to use to talk about hobbies today. 我的爱好是我喜欢。Now I will say them slowly. You can repeat after me. 我的爱好是看书。我喜欢逛街。Okay, now let's break down these two sentences. First, let's look at the first sentence. 我的爱好是看书。The key words here are 爱好 hobby, 看书 read books. Together, 我的爱好是看书。Repeat after me one more time. 我的爱好是看书。And of course, you can change 看书 to your own hobbies. I will give you some more here. 我的爱好是听音乐。我的爱好是运动。我的爱好是画画。我的爱好是游泳。Now let's look at the second sentence. 我喜欢逛街。The key words here are 喜欢 like 逛街 go shopping. So together, 我喜欢逛街。Repeat after me one more time. 我喜欢逛街。I'll give you more examples. 我喜欢看电影。我喜欢做瑜伽。我喜欢旅行。我喜欢学中文。And as always, I will put more words in the description below. Now let's do a small dialogue practice. I ask, you answer. 你的爱好是什么？你平时喜欢做什么？Now I hope you can write these two sentences in the comments below. If you don't know any Chinese characters yet, that's totally fine. Just use pinyin. I will read your comments and help you correct them. Great! So today we learned how to talk about your hobbies and what you like in Chinese. If you learned something from this video, please like it and subscribe. And always feel free to practice in my comments. In the next video, we will learn how to talk about the weather in Chinese. You don't want to miss it. See you in the next video. Bye bye!